how to buy Breaker AI token. So this token came under the symbol of BKA. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, please make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, because this is much important in buying any token. So they include their Telegram channel. Go and check it too. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token it's available on the screen right here. So the token it's increased by 30,000%, as you can see, in the last 24 hours. The market cap of this token it's $2.2 million, and the volume it's $2.3 million. So the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's good. It means that your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token it's under the Ethereum network. I mean the token address. Now go and open your wallet. For that I will use the Beaker wallet. Now go and select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now place the token address here, and as you can see, it's our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet, and go back to find your token on your wallet. Now scroll down until you find BKA token. So click on it. Now after that, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, and here type how much you want to buy with, a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Just click here on buy now, and you will be able to buy it on your wallet. So this is how to buy Breaker AI token. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.